Some of you are here to just tweak a few of your culinary skills and just kind of deepen your experience. Some of you are totally new to plant-based eating, like full plant-based eating, and so you're taking it from square one. Um, some of you are just really interested in getting your kitchen organized in a way that it makes it easier to cook. Some of you have food allergies, and so you get to navigate this work that we're doing over the next 6 weeks and tweak up and challenge yourself to come up with some alternatives so that you can eat plant-based and have a variety of food to eat. Some of you have chronic conditions that you want to overcome. All of those reasons are excellent reasons for being here. And because we meet every week, we have these touch points, but we also have touch points in the Facebook group, which allows us to really cheer each other on and ask questions and get the coaching that you might need, uh, because we're all here for each other. And so my advice to you is every single day you get an email, take the 30 seconds to 2 minutes to read it and then apply it. Everything that I'm serving up is just a little baby step that will help you to really feel confident around making food. You walk into your kitchen, you make excellent, tasty food that's good for you by the end of the 6 weeks. So you don't open the refrigerator door and go, God, I don't have anything to eat, even though your refrigerator's packed, right? I know all of you have had that experience. So we start tonight with some very, very basics, but don't underestimate them because they're huge.